Yetu Microfinance main focus or core business is financial services or banking services to the lower end market of the financial sector. So we focus on the lower end, meaning we focus on providing financial services such as loans, savings products, money transfer, and payments to the lower end of the market of the financial sector spectrum. So basically, we are a specialized bank, and there are 4 of us in the market which specialize in microfinance, and the market still remains underserved because, as you are fully aware, the lower end market of any business component here is very big. So that's basically what we do. So we have banking services. Basically, that's our main focus. Microfinance in Tanzania is actually emerging, though it has a very long history. It starts back in the 90s when the economy was opening up. The banking sector was undergoing changes because initially before 1991, banking was dominated mainly by the government. It was state-owned. So 1991, they opened up. So when the banks were licensed, what happened naturally was that many people did not have bank accounts. So that's how microfinance emerged as an alternative for those who were not able to access banking services. So by then, they had no legal framework. So we operated outside the legal framework until 2000, when there was a microfinance policy, microfinance regulations. But currently, with the new government, we have now a microfinance law in place. That means microfinance now is able to attract local and foreign investors because we have microfinance law, which was approved by the parliament in 2018. We have microfinance regulations. And microfinance there are 4 categories or tiers. We have microfinance, which is done by commercial banks, microfinance done by microfinance banks, and then we have savings and credit cooperatives, and then you have informal groups. So that's how microfinance is structured. But there is always a linkage between the two, because SACCOs and microfinance informal groups depend on the banks for other services of banking. So that's how actually it's now picking up in terms of gearing towards growth. Once you have a law legal framework in place, that means the rules of engaging into the business are now clear. Unlike 10 years ago, when we did not have a law in